Hey, it's Tom Gallagher and another edition of the story behind the car. Check out this absolutely amazing Chrysler. So we're at the Springfield Route 66 Festival, and this is amazing. 1966 in all its glory. And look how long this thing is. So we're going to just walk around the car show and take in the sights. And then there's a Chrysler 300 right next to it. And check out that. Holy smokes. Wow. A 440. So it's a 68. It must be the same owner. It's out of Kansas City, I see, and we're in Springfield, Illinois. Just amazing examples of the 1960s large automobiles. Good looking square body there. Nice Mustang and a Cougar, and then a Grand Wagoneer. You don't see too many of those, so we're gonna have to do a walk around on that. Holy smokes. 360. So it's a 1986 Grand Wagoneer. These have really skyrocketed in value, and they're just so good looking. Just a really nice example. So we'll keep on moving. Good looking Nova across, and a nice Willys Jeep. You don't see them that old that often. Good looking Mustang here, another Cougar. Nice looking C10 there. We're gonna have to take a look at that. C10 step side. Nice looking truck. Good looking Chevelle Super Sport. Just all kinds of examples out here of individual styles. So this Buick, probably a 48 Buick, the hood opened either side. Now I shot a International truck, and the hood on the International did the same thing, opened from both sides. And I know the 48 Buick did. I don't know if the 47 or the 49 did, but I do know the 48 did. Now I was about to say Chevelle, but that front end looks like it's a Pontiac. So that's a Pontiac GTO. Nice 4-speed. Impala, you know, back in the day they really weren't respected, but boy, that's another one that has become popular. Good looking 59 or a 60 Impala. So I shot I think it was a 59 Biscayne this morning. Dual antennas. So this looks like a 60 because of the tail lights. 59 had 2 tail lights, and then the 60, I believe, had the long fin. So the one I shot this morning must have been a 60 as well. I lose track of that. Great looking Camaro SS. Man, they got that engine horseshoed in there, a 396. I used to have a pickup truck with a 396. It had a lot of pull to it. Very clean. Good looking Corvette over there, a nice Firebird. 3 Firebirds in a row. A couple of Corvettes. Old Cutlass 442. So this car show is amazing in Springfield. I think there's like 12 blocks, square blocks of this that is closed. And it's open to the car cruise, car show, and open to the public walking, but they close the streets down. So it's Saturday. On Friday night, wow, so this is 6-speed in there. On Friday night, they, state troopers and the police, escort the car cruise into town and park, and then Saturday, Sunday, you get to see all the vehicles parked out like you see right here. Very nice. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up and keep shooting some of the individual cars, but I just wanted to show just an example of what the show looks like. And it's a Route 66 festival. So there's a large contingency of Route 66 people here as well. Look at the disc brakes on this Super Sport. So you know it's got an upgrade on the engine when you have those kind of disc brakes. And you got an LS. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up and go back to shooting some individuals. Thanks again.